The introduction of my speech, I felt, captured the attention of the audience and was relevant to my classmates. Having worked as a special education teacher for 16 years now and currently attending college gives me the credibility for my speech. I also believe that I captured the central idea of my speech and highlighted my topic. While I believe the introduction was the strongest part of my speech, I also believe there's work needed in this area. Although I thought that the main points in my speech were pretty clear and to the point, organized well, and supported with examples, I struggled the most in the body of my speech. Believe me when I say that hearing the words in my head as I write them sounds a lot better than the recorded words that I hear of myself. In conclusion of my speech, I believe I covered all the main points and summarized everything in my speech. I ended the speech on a positive note. However, I believe it would have been better to use a more memorable line. In the delivery of my speech, I felt that my eye contact was better at the beginning. As I got further into the speech, I noticed that my eye contact was more focused on my notes rather than my audience. Also, my posture in my speech could use some improvement. I need to sit up straight and quit hunching over so much. Another issue that I had with the posture was the chair that I was sitting in. It was a rolling swivel chair. I noticed as I was speaking that I kept twisting and turning. When it comes to public speaking, I have a long road ahead of me. I need to provide a clear voice, which is challenging for me, as I do not punctuate a lot of my words correctly. Proper speaking, spelling, and reading are areas that I struggle with daily. This became very apparent to me when I heard a recording of myself. It's hard to show enthusiasm while I am struggling to read or pronunciate the words correctly. Having problems in this area is embarrassing to me. As a struggling reader, I face many challenges with vocabulary. Proper pronunciation of words can be powerful for an effective speech, and I am going to work hard to improve in these areas. With that being said, there are a lot of deficiencies, defluencies in my speech. There was no flow. At times, it sounded choppy. There was a lot of hesitation, repeated phrases, and mispronunciation of words. I would often forget my next line and get all tongue-tied with the delivery of my words. Finally, the background of my speech was not to my liking. I tried a different video out and didn't realize that it had the background picture on it. But if I had chosen the background picture, I would have chosen the special education visual instead. Thank you.